Welcome back to the Wisdom English podcast. Congratulations on making it to day 20 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. We're 2/3 of the way through, and I hope you can feel how much stronger your English has become. Today we're covering shopping and ordering food. Let me tell you a story. You're at a restaurant. You want to order the grilled chicken. You know the words you've practiced. But then you think, wait, should I say I want chicken or I would like chicken? Does I want sound rude? The waiter is standing there waiting, smiling. Finally, you just say chicken please and point at the menu. It works, but you feel embarrassed. Or maybe you want to take your food home, but you don't know how to say it. Today, I'm teaching you 40 essential phrases that native speakers actually use when shopping and ordering food. No more guessing, no more worrying, no more pointing. Just clear, confident, natural English, and make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that will make you feel like a local in any restaurant or shop. Part 1. Ordering at restaurants. These phrases help you order food confidently at any restaurant, from casual to fancy. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Please repeat after me in the pause, and then I will explain the meaning and purpose of each sentence. I'd like to order the grilled salmon, please. I'd like is the contraction of I would like. This is the most polite and natural way to start your order in any restaurant. Can I have the pasta with extra cheese? Can I have is a very common and slightly more casual way to order. It works everywhere. I'll have the burger with fries, thanks. I will have, is quick, natural, and used by native speakers all the time. It sounds decisive. What do you recommend? This is perfect when you don't know what to order and want suggestions from the waiter. It shows you trust their opinion. Does this come with a side salad? Does this come with? Asks what is included with your main meal. A side salad is a small salad served with the main dish. Can I get that without onions, please? This is how you politely ask to remove an ingredient you don't like or are allergic to. Is this dish very spicy? An important question if you are sensitive to hot, spicy food. It helps you avoid an unpleasant surprise. Could I have some water, please? A polite way to ask for water or anything else you might need, like extra napkins or silverware. Shadowing practice. Ordering at restaurants. Perfect. Now you can order food at any restaurant with confidence. Let's practice these phrases in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. I'd like to order the grilled salmon, please. I'd like to order the grilled salmon, please. Can I have the pasta with extra cheese? Can I have the pasta with extra cheese? I'll have the burger with fries, thanks. I'll have the burger with fries, thanks. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Does this come with a side salad? Does this come with a side salad? Can I get that without onions, please? Can I get that without onions, please? Is this dish very spicy? Is this dish very spicy? Could I have some water, please? Could I have some water, please? Part 2. At coffee shops. Use these phrases to order your perfect coffee or drink at a cafe. Can I get a medium latte, please? Can I get is super casual and very natural for coffee shops. I'll take an iced coffee with milk. I'll take is another great way to order quickly at a counter. What sizes do you have? If you are not sure if they have small, medium, or large, just ask this simple question. Large coffee with room for milk, please. Room for milk tells the barista not to fill the cup to the top, so you can add your own milk without spilling. Can I make that iced instead? Use this if you change your mind or if it's a hot day and you want a cold drink. Can I get that with oat milk, please? This is how you specify a non-dairy milk option. You can also say almond milk or soy milk. For here, please. The staff will ask, for here or to go? For here means you will sit in the cafe to drink it. Can I get that to go? This means you want your drink in a paper cup to take with you. Shadowing practice. At coffee shops. Excellent! Now you can order your perfect coffee every time. Let's practice. Repeat each phrase once after me. Can I get a medium latte, please? I'll take an iced coffee with milk. What sizes do you have? Large coffee with room for milk, please. Can I make that iced instead? Can I get that with oat milk, please? For here, please. Can I get that to go? Part 3. Paying and finishing your meal. These phrases help you pay and end your restaurant experience smoothly. Can I get the check, please? This is the polite way to ask for your bill in American English. Could we have the bill, please? This has the same meaning, but bill is more common in British English. Can I pay by card? This asks if they accept credit or debit cards. Do you take credit cards here? Another common way to ask about payment methods. Keep the change. This tells the server to keep the extra money you gave them as a tip. Can we split the bill? This means you want to divide the total cost between multiple people. Everything was delicious. A wonderful compliment to give the server or chef before you leave. Thank you. Have a great day. A polite and friendly way to say goodbye. Shadowing practice. Paying and finishing your meal. Great work. Now you can finish your meal and pay without any stress. Can I get the check, please? Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Do you take credit cards here? Keep the change. Can we split the bill? Everything was delicious. Thank you. Have a great day. Part 4. Shopping at stores. Use these phrases when you're shopping for clothes, shoes, or anything else. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? The simplest way to ask for the price if there is no tag. Do you have this in a medium? Asking for a specific size. Can I try this on? Asking permission to wear the clothes in the fitting room to check the fit. Where is the fitting room? Asking for the location of the changing room. Do you have this in black or blue? Asking if the item comes in different colors. I'm just looking, thanks. A polite response when a salesperson asks if you need help, but you want to browse alone. Where can I find the shoes? Asking for the location of a specific department. Is this on sale? Asking if there is a discount on the item. This fits perfectly. I'll take it. A great way to say you have decided to buy the item. Shadowing practice. Shopping at stores. Perfect! Now you can shop confidently. Let's practice. Repeat each phrase once after me. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? Do you have this in a medium? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in black or blue? I'm just looking, thanks. Where can I find the shoes? Is this on sale? This fits perfectly. I'll take it. Part 5. Handling problems politely. Use these phrases when something's wrong or you need to make changes. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake on the bill. A polite way to point out an error with your payment total. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered. A calm way to let the server know they brought you the wrong food. Could I get this without ice, please? Asking for a specific change to your drink. Can I exchange this for a larger size? Asking to swap an item for a different one. This doesn't fit. A simple statement that the size is wrong. Could you heat this up a bit more? Asking them to make your food warmer if it arrived cold. Can I speak to the manager, please? A formal request when you have a serious problem that the staff cannot solve. I'd like a refund, please. Asking for your money back. Usually because the item is damaged or unsatisfactory. Shadowing practice. Handling problems politely. Wonderful. Now you can handle any problem politely. Let's practice. Repeat each phrase once after me. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake on the bill. I'm sorry, but this isn't what I ordered. Could I get this without ice, please? Can I exchange this for a larger size? This doesn't fit. Could you heat this up a bit more? Can I speak to the manager, please? I'd like a refund, please. Part 6. real conversation practice. Amazing work today, everyone. You just learned 40 phrases that will completely change how you shop and order food in English. Now, let's put them into action with a real scenario. Scenario: dinner at a restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Bistro. Table for two?
Yes, please. Could we get a table by the window?
Certainly. Right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can I get a glass of water, please?
Of course. I'll be right back. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Does that come with a side salad?
Yes, it does. And for you?
I'd like the pasta, but can I get that without onions?
No problem. Anything to drink?
I'll take an iced tea.
Later, after the meal, was everything okay?
Everything was delicious, thank you. Can we get the check, please?
Here you go.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a great night.
The final secret. You've just built an incredibly strong foundation for shopping and dining in English. You now know 40 essential phrases and have practiced a complete restaurant scenario. And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret that will make you feel confident in any restaurant or shop is this: politeness is your best tool. You don't need perfect grammar to get what you want. You just need the right polite phrases. Words like please, thank you, could I, and would you mind act like magic keys. They make people want to help you. They make you sound fluent and respectful, even if your accent isn't perfect. When you focus on being polite, the language flows much more easily. Tomorrow is day 21 of our 30-day challenge. We're mastering another exciting step in your journey. My challenge to you is to pick 3 phrases from today that you know you'll use, write them down, and try to use them in a real situation this week. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.